Alright guys, we are here on Lake Anna waiting for my coworker slash manager to show up.
I thought it was gonna be cold.
It's a little steamy today. Nice little sunrise behind us. Yeah, everything on Kyle's boat just doesn't work apparently, so.
Just bought a new transducer. Not working. And now I gotta remember which way the live scope goes because I don't remember.
Yeah, we're waiting for my coworker to show up. We're gonna do a little bass fishing challenge. Whoever catches
the going strizzy straight.
the heaviest bass. So Kyle's trying to fix everything on his boat. And then we're about to get fishing here in a minute. So yeah, I guess we'll be back when Kyle finishes fixing this.
Ian's about to bring me my GoPro.
Oh yeah, and he forgot his GoPro again.
GoPro again, but it's at the house.
It's not in the truck now, it's in his house.
I'll catch some striper around here. It's 80 feet right here.
Damn.
Yeah, it's really deep down here.
I just spent probably $600 like in the last 3 days.
Oh well, what time you want to fish till?
It don't freaking matter to me. I'm here.
I don't care either.
Like best 5?
Yeah, best 5.
You could do that. Yeah.
I mean, if I catch 5, usually the last few times I've caught like 2 or 1. So,
yeah.
So we'll see.
Yeah, I guess we'll just get a picture and a wait.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. 7-4.
All right.
Till we meet again.
We'll see you.
Next time I see you, I'm ramming right into you.
All right, Bobby. So it's like 8:30. Finally starting to fish.
We just got done talking to Danny.
Ran into some issues this morning. Lost my hat, forgot my GoPro. I got it now. And hopefully we can catch some fish now. But that's what we're about to do, pulling up on this point. Got a bunch of jet skis.
Yeah, competition started. We're going to about, I think, 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Best of.
Until we, or if we quit.
So five best fish.
Oh my God, I put the GoPro on backwards.
So, just got done getting my rod ready.
Yeah, it's catfishing rod. He bought a catfishing rod.
It's only like 7'1" they had at Walmart.
Oh, it's a cat.
He said go to Walmart.
I had a feeling it was being called the cat daddy.
He said go to Walmart. I went to Walmart, so.
Oh my God, I'm doing everything backwards.
He doesn't know what he's doing. We got no luck out here, and Kyle is calling his friend for a spot.
Up in there too.
Okay.
Especially along the edges.
Okay.
On the left side is a lot of wood. It goes on up in there, and it gets shallow. They say you make.
They have radiation from the power plant. That's why they don't bite. They're radiated. Because if you didn't know, Lake Anna, the whole reason this lake is here is to cool the reactors for the power plant. So I'm sure the bass are, radiated. That's why they're not bited.
All right, guys, welcome back. We're at our third spot now. We were gonna go to a bridge, but there's a lot of traffic over there. So now we're in this little cove.
I'm about to let you handle fishing the swim bait. This technique's supposed to be proven.
Well, yours and mine.
Both of them, same thing. Well, yours has a paddle tail, but
how deep is it over there?
Like 15 feet. Cast along like the edge of the grass. See these little few spots of grass that aren't in the whole pack? There's usually like a prime spot. Thought you had one, huh?
Well, snags for a
It's
second.
20 feet deep back here. 4 foot. Yep, that's nice.
Stuck on something.
I'm stuck on grass. Just pull it towards you. Oh no, you might not be. God,
Forward.
there's 20 foot right here. Dude, there should be bass. It's a struggle, dude.
He left the trolling motor up.
Down.
are down and got us all soaked.
Oh.
Soaked.
Oh my god. I don't know, it kind of felt good now, water.
Doesn't feel good on my camera. Camera's soaked. I'm soaked.
Alright, you ready? Get that fixed, Bobby. Alright, where's that branch at? There's like a tree in the water somewhere.
Alright, so far another horrible day again.
Yeah, story of our
no
lives.
No biting, nothing.
Our other competitors of the tournament also have had horrible luck so far.
Yeah, he said
He lost 2, he said. Oh,
Well-
and then like a little half pound.
yeah, half pound. We're fishing in dirty cow, poopy water.
You know, pro lap. Yeah.
Well, I don't think we can show that, but there's cows over there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so far no luck. We both forgot sunscreen.
So far, the
we're all getting-
radiation seems to have severely affected the bass.
Yeah, I guess they're not hungry anymore.
It's a severe issue here where the largemouth are super radiated and they just act weird.
Yeah, maybe they like evolved to like do photosynthesis or something.
Yeah, I think they're
they
they like change their brain so they don't eat fish. Now they just eat plants and stuff, I think.
We're just gonna keep hitting this creek spot for a little bit, and if this doesn't work, I don't know what else we're gonna do.
I'm about to eat my sandwich. I about killed Jordan. We were flying past me.
I had a huge mother on this morning.
Where at?
I can't tell you on the spot. Yeah, I've been all the way down to the dam, all the way up here. Y'all really ain't had no bites.
I think I had one, but I couldn't really tell. I mean, it cooled my soft plastic back.
What y'all using?
He's been throwing a jig head and a swim bait all day.
That was his secret.
That was my secret.
Jig head minnow.
Yeah, jig head minnow.
Is your scope working?
Yeah, but you know, it don't really help up shallow or nothing.
Yeah.
But that's what we were doing early.
That's the problem today. It's too crazy.
Yeah, that's what we were doing at first. But yeah, it's just getting...
What y'all thinking? Y'all still want to do? Y'all want to go a little longer?
Yeah, I was gonna flip some docks and stuff.
We gotta catch something.
I know, dude. I'm hung up. That's bad. That's a bad hang up. Unless I throw the rod at it. Stop. Go forward. No, you're going backwards. Oh my god. I cannot control this. Oh no, I lost it. Grab that, grab that, grab that. That was horrible. Watch this, Bobby. Buddy, stupid idiot. Jet ski crash,
Yeah, the
Bobby.
jet ski.
That's a jet ski.
It's a jet ski capsized. Oh well. Better luck next time.
Yeah, the less jet skis, the better, honestly. Hope they're okay.
Yeah.
The truck ain't getting gas, Jeep ain't getting gas, and Now this guy's gone, but I can't turn around. Hogging up the ethanol-free pump to fill up his diesel can.
And the Jeep guy
he could have parked over here.
Walk to the other gas pump.
Yeah, because that's ethanol-free. But that truck, I'm still not going to be able to get gas because that truck's just sitting there. Come on, Bobby. Oh my God, he's paying for something else. Old camo shirt, jean shorts. I'll hand you stuff. There goes my phone. All right, Bobby. Well, radiated nuclear bass didn't want to bite, so we got skunked. But even his buddy did, who fishes there all the time. So.
Yeah, so another L for 3 of us.
I don't know what we're gonna do next weekend, but weekend after that we got something big coming.
Hopefully something big.
Hopefully something big. If it's not big, it's gonna be cool. So
yeah, if it's not too hot.
No, we're still going anyway. It just won't be as cool.
Not the whole time, maybe.
Yeah, but the one.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna keep uploading stuff. We got some good ponds we can go to. Hopefully Jordan here can get something on his catfish rod.
Yeah, my friend said I should have beginner's luck, but so far nothing's happened.
Hasn't had any luck.
Yeah.
Yeah, just subscribe, like, share. We got some stuff coming. Don't worry. We'll catch some fish one day.
One day.
So, all right.
All right.
Peace.